everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we are cooking a very nice
homemade crusty bread.
Crusty bread. Yes, how you gonna make the crusty?
With a special technique.
Yes,
Steaming it in the oven.
Oh yes, we're going to add some steam in the oven. Our oven is not a special oven like the bakeries. We're going to just put a tray with a nice, I can't tell you. We need to see the video. They need to see the video. We cannot tell now. Aha! You need to follow us until the end of this video and you see the technique that we use it. The bread, I guarantee to you, will be
crusty
and amazing.
It's gonna be so crusty that it looks like it's gonna eat chocolate.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, alright. Guys, follow us until the end of the video and you see how the recipe is going to be and how the bread
is
will be nice done. Alright? Follow us.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And also the ingredients down below.
Guys, let's start this recipe. We got 500 grams of plain flour. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of salt. 2 tablespoons of salt. We're going to mix it. Just give it a nice mix round. Now we're going to put 7 grams of dry yeast. Yeah, the whole sachet of dry yeast. Going to mix it. Mix it very well too. Now we're going to put 320 ml of warm water. Just let's put a half it. Carry on using the spoon to mix. Carry on using the spoon to mix. And let's add a little bit more of the remaining water. And you carry on mixing it, right? Time to put a hand on it. So now we're going to mix it. I have added a little bit more flour for us to be able to knead the bread. So you see it's gonna be a bit thick, but it's fine. That's how it should be, because after proving, you see it becomes a bit better. So if you see that's too thick on your hand, you can add more flour. I have added just a little bit of flour to be able to knead it. See, this is how we do it. I'm gonna add a little bit extra flour here. Sometimes every flour is different because the condition of the wet. Some of got more the water, some don't. So once you do it, that's why I told when I was measuring the water, I was adding by bits, not everything. All right, so you have to measure that at home. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put right here and I'm going to knead it for around 10 minutes, okay? And then we're going to put it to raise. I'm going to cut in the middle. Cut in the middle because we're gonna have 2 beautiful crusty breads. Just cut in the middle like that. Right. Now, the way we're gonna do this bread. It's very simple. So we will be folding like this. We bring it like that. We fold it like that. And we fold that like this. Bring it like that. You fold the inside, okay? I have added a little bit of flour on the table. You bring it like that, like this, like that. This again. See? Just this way. We're not pressing too much. We're making only this way. We only fold it inside. That here, that here. Now it's like that. We're going to take a bowl in a cloth like that. We put in cloth. We could put some flour on it. See, now here inside we're gonna put it, cover like that, put a bit of flour on top. Yeah, cover it and leave for another 30 minutes. I'm going to do the same on the other one. All right. For this bread, we have to do some steam. We have to create some steam in the oven. What we're going to do is we're going to use simple cloth. We're going to use, there are lots of ways to do. You can put inside the pan, you know, but when you don't have a cooking pan, we're going to do it. We're going to create like this. We're going to have a cloth. We folded the cloth. We put a very hot water, like boiling water. See, and we'll be adding this on the bottom of our oven to generate steam. So I'm gonna put it on the bottom of the oven, and we're gonna put the pan and put the bread inside in a second. I'll show the both methods, okay? So I have heated up the pan for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, the bread is heating up. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it that like this, and I'm going to slice in the top like that, deep like that, with a sharp knife, and going to slice on the other side as well. Okay, so we're gonna let the steam from to proof and come up. We're gonna do the same on the other side, but on this other side I only heated up the baking pan. I haven't heated up, so just going to do like that. Same process. Open here and open here. Okay, make a nice design. It's going to the oven for 20 minutes. The oven has been preheated for 30 minutes on 250 degrees. Now we're gonna bake for 20 minutes. Before going to the oven, we're going to Hi guys, now comes the moment of the truth. Look at that, look at that. So soft and crunchy. See that? Really nice and crunchy. Now it's time for us to try. Let's go for it. Try Julia. Let's go. So delicious. Really nice, crunchy outside and soft inside.
Hey, stop talking in the mouth.
I'm not talking with my own food. Yes, I can avoid it. You know, I can't help because it's so good. Guys, if you like the recipe, what they have to do, Juliet?
They have to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and share with your friends and family.
Yes, and watch the whole video.
Yes, please watch the whole video.
Watch the whole video. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.